The 7 most beautiful Muslim cities in the world. Number 7, Istanbul, Turkey. Istanbul, with its stunning blend of historical and modern elements, is a beautiful Muslim city. The city is known for its iconic architecture, including the Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque. Number 6, Marrakech, Morocco. Marrakech is renowned for its vibrant souks, historic palaces, and beautiful gardens. The city's red-colored buildings and the stunning Jemaa el Fna Square create a mesmerizing atmosphere. Number 5, Granada, Spain. Granada, with its iconic Alhambra Palace, showcases the splendor of Islamic architecture. The city's Moorish influences and the picturesque Albayacin district add to its charm. Number 4, Cairo, Egypt. Cairo is a city steeped in history and culture, with the pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx as its most famous landmarks. The city's bustling bazaars, historic mosques, and the Nile River make it a beautiful Muslim city. Number 3, Fez, Morocco. Fez is renowned for its well-preserved medieval architecture, including the University of Al-Qarawiyyin and the Old Medina. The city's traditional craftsmanship and historic significance contribute to its beauty. Number 2, Cordoba, Spain. Cordoba is famous for the mesmerizing Mezquita, a historic mosque cathedral. The city's winding streets, whitewashed buildings, and courtyards filled with flowers add to its beauty. And the number 1 is... Tell me in the comment who is number 1.